What up, my friends? Little quick video I want to show you guys. Let's turn the camera this way. This is the alarm system that I have. I'd say a few days ago, all of a sudden, I get a low battery warning. The battery completely drains. Of course, if you can, I'm not sure if you can see it. Well, yeah, but see how it's red? So, call the alarm company. Of course, they want to charge you like 50 bucks just to have somebody come out, right? Then they tried to tell me, oh, the panel probably needs to be replaced, you know, this, that, and the other. Well, turns out this guy was the culprit. Okay, so my house, up in the attic, where my light switch is for the attic, is where this guy was plugged in. So the alarm tech, when he originally did it, what, 4 or 5 years ago now, just snipped this guy off. Yeah, you just heard me drop it. From the old panel, just used the wiring and hooked this up. So, long story short, I took this, wired it up, didn't realize that the voltage on it was too low. Went to Home Depot, Lowe's, a couple other electrical places, and they did not have this. So I went on Amazon with Amazon Prime and had it shipped to me for $17 and some change. So if you happen to run into the same issue with your alarm panel, it could be just as simple as changing this guy out. 2 wires. When you order this, it's 2 gig AC something or other. It shows 14 volts output. You see what that guy says. You go on Amazon and look at the reviews, and a lot of people say the same thing, that they were going to get charged $50 for somebody to come out, probably charge them another $50 just for this, and you know, with a Phillips head screwdriver you can do it yourself. Now, the one thing I did read from the alarm company itself was saying that anytime things like this need to be switched out, you want to unplug the battery from the inside, which isn't hard. There was just a little small Phillips head screw up here that I had to remove, and the whole console pops off. Simple. You'll see where the battery hooks into the monitor, and all you got to do, it's a little small clip, you unplug it. So as soon as I went upstairs, rewired this guy, plug came downstairs, the panel was still off, but as soon as I plugged the battery back in, the panel came back on. Now the battery, as you can see, is starting to charge. So just a little heads up, guys. Got some other videos coming up soon. I know a few weeks ago I showed some stuff that I ordered from Midway. I've been a little busy with the carvings and stuff, so I'm going to hopefully, if not today, tomorrow, put out a video about the new Lee Universal Case Feeder for, yeah, you're getting a tour, for this guy. So, of course, it's still set up for the 223 that I did in that last video. Sorry for the shaky video, guys, but we're going to go ahead and pull this guy out and give it a try. And I'll try and film setting it up. I don't want it to be a long film, so we'll see what happens. But, alright guys, have a great day.